Hello everybody, this is Satyajit from Tutorials Guruji. Today I'll show you a very important thing about 3ds Max, how to type text in 3ds Max. So guys, first open the 3ds Max and go to the create panel, then go to the shape panel and click on text and just click on viewport. Your text is appear. If you want to change the text, go down here and change the text here. I type Satyajit. Okay, it's appear in viewport. You can change the font, anything you can want. You can increase the size in okay, then go to the modify panel, click on extrude and your text is ready. Okay, so guys, thank you very much to see my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.